guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Glade Ragnarok. So this is the template of Glade Ragnarok. So let's get started. To make the Glade Ragnarok, you need 3 pieces. Okay, let me show you. I just drawn it. So like this only you should draw. Trace it with the help of pen and then cut it. So I have cutted it. So glue all the pieces. Okay, glue only 2 pieces. Okay, like this. Let me show you after doing that. So guys, after pasting the 2 pieces, it will look like this. So keep it aside and take your template and stick it here like this. Okay, let me show you after doing that. After sticking the pieces, it will look like this. So don't stick it here. Okay, after sticking these pieces, so keep it aside and take this and cut the glade wings. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Like this only you should cut to make the glide wings. So cut it in all the sides. Make sure that you should mark all the sides. Okay, keep it like this and then mark where it was present. So like this you need to mark. Guys, after cutting the wings it will look like this. So take the another cardboard piece and then fix it like this and then draw it. Okay, cut it with the help of the scissor. Let me show you after doing that. So guys, to make the driver you need a empty Fevikwik bottle. So cut the Fevikwik strip. Okay, let me show you after doing that. So guys, after cutting you will get like this. Okay, as you can see in the video. So take the tape and take a compass. Okay, and normally keep the compass and draw a circle. Let me show you. So now I have drawn it. So let's cut that. So guys, I have cut and also made a hole here. So keep it like this and then fix it. Let me show you. Like this it need to go. The Fevikwik tip and take the cardboard piece and fix it like this, which the process we will do in the stadium. Okay, and then glue it with the help of super glue or any other glue. Let me show you after doing that. The revolve driver is now fully ready, as you can see in the video. So this is the revolve driver. So let's make the excess part of the driver. So guys, take a paper as you can see in the video. So roll it with the help of your hand. Let me show you after rolling. So guys, I have made this paper roll as circle shape, as you can see in the video. So this is the circle shape and you need another piece like this. Yes, after making another paper roll it will look like this, as you can see in the video. So take your layer and turn it down and then take your first paper roll and then glue it and then fix it like this correctly. Okay, and then take your another piece of paper and then roll it. Okay, and then fix it here as shown in the video. So like this, and take some cardboard piece as shown in the video. So trace it with the help of the pencil after drying this paper rolls. Okay, so guys, add some glue gun here to make the layer strong and to prevent the paper roll coming out. And you need a cardboard piece and take the revolve driver which we have made and make a hole in the cardboard and then try to fix it. If it's not sticking means you need to roll some paper and fix that. I'm going to do that. If you want you can also do that, but I'm going to do that because it's not coming for me. See, as you can see in the video, it's not coming, and if you stick like that means it will not come. So roll some paper. Guys, after rolling some paper it will look like this. So paste some glue here to make the paper stiff with the driver. So let me show you after doing that. Guys, after putting some glue gun it will look like this. So take your cardboard and fix it like this. Let me show you. So fix it like this inside it. Okay, and then your driver will be ready, and fix it like this here. Let me show you after fixing that. So after fixing it, it will look like this. So our Beyblade is now fully ready. I think it's pretty good, but not that much good because it's like a 3D look. That's why I have cut it, and at last I have pasted the wings. So I think it's a good Beyblade. So let's test it. Let's test the Beyblade. 3, 2, 1, go. So the spinning color is really good, guys. So it's not that much stamina, but it's okay. So let's do some test battle with this Beyblade. Guys, let's do the test battle with my Geist Fafnir. So let's do that. Test battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Not that much stamina for Glide Ragnarok, but its attacking is really good. So let's do another battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, it's a really hard hit from Glide Ragnarok, and just 2 hits to win this match. So let's do the battle with my Wizard Fafnir. Do the first battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So Wizard Fafnir won the battle. Second battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So Glide Ragnarok won the battle. So let's do the battle with again Geist Fafnir. Okay. So let's do that. First battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So again won this battle Glide Ragnarok. So I hope you love this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.